5% to 6% currently.
All right, Yatin, many thanks for bringing us that report. In the meanwhile, address another management. C&C Construction is looking to raise about 400 to 500 crores in this market. They're looking to sell one of their units. Gurjeet Singh Johar, who is the chairman of C&C Construction, joins us on the line from Delhi. Mr. Johar, thanks very much for speaking with us. You are looking at raising about 400 to 500 crores and also looking at a stake sale, via a stake sale actually, in your subsidiary C&C projects. Could you give us a few names that you're talking to right now, and how close are you to sealing the deal?
No, it's a little early to be talking of names. We should be looking at these names maybe another 2 months from now.
So are you saying that the fundraising essentially would happen 2 months from now and that you're not actively pushing for it?
We just started the process, and I expect this to happen over the next 3 to 4 months. That's when we need the money.
Okay, you are open to selling about 30% stake. Would you consider exiting at all, given if you are given favorable valuations? What is the kind of money or valuation that you're seeking at present?
See, we're looking to invest about 1,000 plus crores in the BOT sector, and we would be quite open to looking at selling the stake for 1 or 2 of the completed projects, if that helps in the overall valuation.
So, Mr. Johar,
all those
please carry on.
No evaluation.
Sorry?
It's a little early to be talking of any specific sale.
Okay, Mr. Johar, appreciate that it's a bit early to talk about it, but assuming that 3 months down the line, when you did say that you would need the money, the markets seem to be fairly tight, because we speak to a number of infrastructure companies who speak about how difficult it is to either raise debt or raise equity because the valuations are substantially lower. I mean, would you be open to a sale, if at all, at the current prices as well, which would be substantially lower than what you would probably get or probably would have gotten a year before?
No, at this price I would not be looking at a sale.
So how would you then suffice your need for money, because you did say that you will need the money 3 months down the line? If you don't
what we need is about 250 odd crores over the next 6 to 8 months. We don't see any issue on raising this sort of money, even if it could mean a slightly lower valuation. I need to invest 1,000 crores over the next 2 years.
Okay. What's the debt equity ratio, Mr. Johar, of your company?
Right now it's about 1.5.
Okay.
Now this is the parent company. We're not looking at any dilution or disinvestment from the parent company. Whatever is going to happen is going to happen in the step-down subsidiary, where we currently own 100%.
Okay. Well, one final question, Mr. Johar. I mean, how is business shaping up in terms of order inflows as well as execution? Because I'm guessing that you, in line with what the rest of the industry is facing as well, there will be some strains on that front.
Yeah, there has been a strain on order expectations. We're currently sitting on an order book of about 5,500 crores, which is a little over 4 years of our current sales. I would expect maybe now this sluggishness to continue for another 6-8 months. Execution is an issue, and it's always been an issue over the last 2 years. We are with the rest of the industry. I don't see any major change in that.
Wish you all the best for that, Mr. Johar, for the next 6-8 months or 12 months. Thanks so much for taking the time out and giving us this clarification. So no, C&C Construction not looking to raise funds right now. May raise funds, but that would depend on valuations, and the current valuations is not comfortable. Needs around 200 crores, so we'll look at alternative means as opposed to a stake sale in the subsidiary, and it will not happen in the parent. 81.5 is where that one is trading. Well, no prices for guessing infrastructure is not looking at coming up in a hurry. The stock prices definitely don't seem to be suggesting that. Vijay, any of the stocks, I mean, GMR, Lanco, GVK, C&C, you name it, do the charts suggest?